Alright guys, I'm back in the shop. I'm still working on this Ryobi. I put the carburetor on there yesterday, and then I was gonna go ahead and change the spark plug, and this is what happened. I went to pull it, coil pack, this piece came off, and also the spring came off. So I went ahead and ordered another coil pack from Amazon. It should be here sometime today. And I'm gonna go ahead and change the spark plug. I've already changed the filter on it, and this thing should run pretty new once I get done with everything. Real easy process, nothing to it. Just take these two off right here, these screws, and it comes right off, as you can see right here. I'm gonna get the other one and put it on. Alright guys, the part finally came in. This is the new one. This one right here was broke. Oh, what was that? That's how that goes. Alright, so plug everything back in. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and change the spark plug out. It came with the spark plug, so I'm just gonna go ahead and change that out. New plug right here. I think this plug has been in there for a while. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try to put everything back together. See if we can do this. Let's do this. There we go. Alright, now we're just gonna put everything back, put all the screws back in there.